Hello, I created Agent Force and AWC, which displays data in a table format on AWC. When an employee requests to search for an object in chat, even non-engineer business users can instantly get the information they need in natural language, even from custom objects, without having to build reports or list views. In addition, flexible searches are possible depending on how you ask. For example, by having agents create the search criteria. For testing and demonstration purposes, a job object has been created and populated with test data. With fields such as job name, industry, requirement 1, requirement 2. Enter. Search for job with manager in the job name. Out of the job name, created date fields. The requested record is displayed. You can also perform flexible searches like this. Enter. Choose about 10 programming-related words and search for jobs that have those skills in their requirement 1 and requirement 2. If you are in a session, Agent Force understands the chat context, so you can add requests to the results. Enter Add Industry. The industry column has been added. Enter Sort by Job Name. The records are sorted by job name. You can also search on other objects. Let's try on the account object. Search for account with system int name. Out of the name rating, employees created date fields. Result is this. Now let me explain how to implement it. The custom action is one Apex action. In that Apex, the schema namespace is used to get the label, name, and type of the object fields, consolidate them into JSON, and return it to Agent Force. The Lightning Web component invokes an Apex method. That Apex method invokes Agent Force using the invocable namespace and obtains a response. The SOQL part is extracted from the response, executed, and the retrieved records are returned to the Lightning Web component. Thank you.